Welcome to J&J's test video of S7HU 243, 186,000 mile H2. Kind of just worn out. You can see the hood's been broke before, just a bunch of random stuff. The hydro boost is bad, making all sorts of noise off the power steering pump, but it runs good, holds good oil pressure. WS2 Special Edition, 186,289, and I don't know what that god-awful noise in here is. I thought it was the blower, but I don't know if it's the amp or whatever. I'll run you through the test. Sunroof works. Power mirrors fold. Both of them work. Alright, what else we got? Heater control's bad. I'm not selling the CD player because it looks like there's water behind it. The cluster lights up. Let me see down in there. Shut the hood and take her for a drive. The seat heat is stuck on and it's just terrible. I don't know if I can get it to go off. The walk around, rear bumper's a little bent up, spare tire carrier. It's not a rusty truck. Been repainted everywhere. Like a lot of these, they've been fixed and messed with. There's our awesome sound. Works, transfer case works. Alright, that's a good one. Put it back into high. Yeah. I tried to restart it. The battery's dead. All right, that's it. S7HU 243, 186,000 miles with some crazy noise inside. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.